I have been called out to do a very short cherry drying flight. I thought this would be a good time to experiment with all the cameras. Well, all the cameras I've got with me, which 3 of them, which is quite a few anyway. So I'm on our secondary landing zone, which it turns out I really don't need to land here, which is good because it's really slopey. There we go. And I'm going to go over Squilchuck Canyon. And Wenatchee area traffic, helicopter 7534 Delta just departed an off-airport landing zone in Malaga. We are headed westbound to Squilchuck Canyon over the top of Stabile Hill and Wenatchee Heights.
Traffic on flight 1970, taxi to the Ramby Alpha.
So I'm going to drive 4 blocks of rainiers. Rainiers you fly higher over, so you're not going to get the full effect of low flight. There was a helicopter out here earlier. I don't see it anymore. He's landed. It's that Yui over there. Probably can't see it. I tried this one this morning. My guys tried that one over there, and the one that we just flew over. Yeah. And then I tried another one over in Squilchuck Canyon. This is the one I was over this morning. Up ahead, you might see the dust coming out of the orchards. That's them spraying with the actual chemical. For cherry drying, they use the same machines, but they don't put chemical in, and it just blows air. This is blowing chemical. I don't know if it's a dust-based chemical or liquid. I gotta think it's dust, but I don't know. I really don't know. They wear hazmat suits to spray that. You can see one of the guys right there. When they just dry with those, they don't wear hazmat. Oh, I gotta get this up here. I also drive that one across the canyon. I just joined 4 acres down here this morning. Triggers remember which 4 acres it is. Wow. Okay, it's D. And again, these are rainiers, so you're not going to get the full effect of a real cherry drying, because I stay really high for these. I mean, I am still drying them, I'm just not going low. And the reason is that the rainiers are a thin-skinned, light-colored cherry, and when they get bruised from banging around against the branches, they show all the bruises, and if the fruit's too bruised, they can't sell it, so they don't want us bruising it. Let's see if I can figure out where it ends. Probably at that line. Yep, I'm in the room. I've been drying this orchard for more than 10 years. So when I turn around, you'll see a whole bunch of short trees. What they are grafts. What they've done is they've taken trees, they've cut them, but they left the chunk, and then they graft cherries onto those, and that starts new trees. And they're not, I'm not going to dry them because they are too young. They don't need to be dried. That's it. That's the whole flight.
We get it.
It is like a 80 to 40% chance of rain morning to afternoon in this area, but I don't think we're going to get any more rain. It looks like it's all passing west of us. There's a sprayer over there. You see the dust coming up? Wenatchee area traffic helicopter 7534 Delta coming down off of Wenatchee Heights. Going to go over Stamills Hill and descend down into Malaga. I see a helicopter out there.
The traffic at the 47 football golf, 45 to the downwind from the traffic.
I don't know if you see it out there. He's almost at our 12 o'clock. You can see his blades flickering in the sunlight. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to spook him or be rude. Might be that Yui again because I don't see it parked. They fly a lot higher than we do. And they can dry a lot more quickly. I'm not sure if they dry as thoroughly though, but whatever. There's a grower up here who likes just having Uis. There's another one coming in this weekend. The pilot's going to be driving up today. In fact, he should be arriving today. He's going to spend some time at my place. And, or his rig is anyway. He's going back to fetch the helicopter. They bring it up on a trailer. If you watch my channel, you'll see that's the Yui that I flew last year. At least I assume he's bringing the same one. And there's my LZ. Like a nice little loop. That's the other pilot leaving. He parked up on the hill. Long story there. Not worth going into. Let's see if this is my spot. Really close to the road. Let's move over. Woo! Well, kind of crooked. I can deal with it. And that is the flight. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm hoping I can make 2 videos out of this, one with the 360 camera and one with the face front camera that's got the tail cam on. We'll just get real fancy here. If we can, if I got the footage. I hope your fingers are crossed. If you like the channel, subscribe. Click the bell notifications. You know, I could really use some more channel members. This flight was paid for by someone else because it's, you know, it's my work. But a lot of the other flights I do are not. And it sure helps when you folks chip in. So think about becoming a member or a patron. And, or just buy a t-shirt or a hat. Come on, the hats are cool. I don't have this color anymore, but they're cool. And the shirts are really nice. Just t-shirts, whatever. And that's the end of the commercial. That's the end of the flight. Hope to see you again soon. Or hope you see me again soon. Bye.